Good morning, world. It's February 26th, and we're warm and cozy up here in our little tree house, looking out upon the morning weather, and it's really stormy, as you can see. It's snowing out there. LB is totally taken in by these huge snowflakes. See the ice crystals on my screen here. Oh, wow. It's been blowing pretty bad. It's calmed down a little bit right now, but LB sure would like to go chase some of that stuff floating down from the sky there. I think that was a snow plows, as you can see, are just heading out to try to clear some of the roads already. It's about 7 a.m. Just getting started. Not a good day to be out there. If you can, stay home. If you live anywhere in central Illinois, that is. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.